Hello, children. I'm back with a new lesson, Wild Animals and Their Babies. As last lesson, we had learned about pet animals, their uses, and the place where they stay as well as their babies. Today we are going to learn about wild animals. Wild animals are found in jungles, in the forest. Some wild animals are seen in a zoo. So let's explore the safari. Lion. 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 Lion is the king of the jungle. Its baby is called a cub. C-U-B, cub. Lion, cub. Next is tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. A baby tiger is called cub. C-U-B, cub. Tiger, cub. Lion, cub, tiger, cub. Next is B-E-A-R, bear. A baby bear is called a cub. C-U-B, cub. W-O-L-F, wolf. A baby wolf is called a cub. C-U-B, cub. Bear, cub. Wolf, cub. C-H-E-E-T-A-H, cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest animal on land. The baby cheetah is called a cub. C-U-B, cub. Next is fox. F-O-X, fox. Fox is a cunning animal. A baby fox is also called a cub. C-U-B, cub. Cheetah, cub. Fox, cub. Monkey. Monkey is the mischievous animal. And its baby is called an infant. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. See, a kangaroo, it looks a bit like a rabbit, isn't it? The baby of a kangaroo is called a joey. J-O-E-Y, joey. Kangaroo, joey. Monkey, infant. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is a huge animal. H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-P-U-S, hippopotamus. The baby of a hippopotamus is called a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Next is elephant. E-L-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. A baby of an elephant is called a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. So, hippopotamus, calf. Elephant, calf. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. its baby is called a calf. Giraffe, calf. Rhinoceros, 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 and its baby is called a calf. Calf, calf. Giraffe, calf. Rhinoceros, calf. Zebra, Zebra, zebra. A baby zebra is called a foal. Foal, foal. Zebra, foal. Deer, Deer, deer. A baby deer is called a fawn. Fawn, fawn. Zebra, foal. Deer, fawn. Let's see the homes of these wild animals. Tigers live in den. Den is type of a small place under a rock or between rocks. Lion lives in a den. Tigers and lions live in dens. Monkey lives on tree. They usually live on trees. They hang themselves from here to there. They jump from one tree to another. Elephants live in jungles. They live in the open. Hippopotamus lives in water. Bear lives in a cave. So here we end our lesson. Let's revise once again. The homes of wild animals. Bear lives in cave. Hippopotamus lives in water. Elephant lives in jungle. Monkey lives on trees. Lion lives in den. Tiger lives in den. Okay? So, now I end this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm sure you will learn wild animals, their babies, and homes of wild animals. So, bye. See you soon with a new lesson.